to decide. And if the ethics officer decides that this is an SP, you're taking your life in your hands to put that person into the HGC. But now, you say, well, that's a pretty cruel line to take, and we are very helpful persons. Well, someday, when you haven't anything better to do, go down in the jungle and find a wounded water buffalo who is stuck in a hole, and go over barehandedly to help him out. And if you go through that elementary exercise, you will, I think, understand what I am talking about. Because that's what's going to happen. You're going to get gored.